There has been a big drop of more than 25% in overdose deaths between 2023 and 2024.
News 8's Bob Wilson has more on what experts say could be the key to saving a life.
So from the firehouses to the ambulances to the hospitals, the drug overdoses are down, the deaths are down, and they're saving more lives. They're saying they're not only saving the lives, but getting them on the path of recovery because those numbers are up. What makes the headlines are drug deaths and mass overdoses. Like last week in New Haven, they had a spike, 18 overdoses and 1 death within 4 days. But today, good news and good numbers. Drug deaths are down 26% from the year 2024 to 2023. And advocates say there are so many reasons. From interventions and treatments to recovery, the support systems are synced up and Narcan is readily available.
Our first responders, they're part of the solution by having leave behind kits. So when they're responding to a call, they can do those leave behind kits, whether it's for the individual or for family or friends who are there.
Lawmakers also making it easier and safer for anyone to report a drug overdose.
The Good Samaritan law, so that people know that they could call 911 and it protects those who are seeking help for someone who may be overdosing.
And not only are the deaths down, but supports for recovery are up. They even have counselors available and on hand to offer help in the middle of the crisis.
They have recovery coaches in the emergency rooms, which can link people to meeting them where they're at when they're in that critical moment. So, that's also helping to move people into their pathway to recovery.
And Governor Lamont, proud of the accomplishment, releasing this statement saying, quote, "Let there be no doubt that the opioid crisis remains a very serious public health issue. But the data is moving in the right direction, and we will continue doing everything we can to reduce deaths and provide a path to treatment and recovery supports."
There's many people out there who are making a difference and, living happy, sober lives.
And funding played a big role in that. Funding for the Narcan and counselors and rehabilitation, all of that paying off. We'll have to see what 2025 brings, the counselors are saying. In Hartford, Bob Wilson, News 8.